What's up everyone, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And welcome back for another sneaker invest episode, wherein I did promise the last episode that I'm gonna share to you what did I pick up and how much investment I did, how much will be the expected profit on the one that I bought, and also I'm gonna share you the decision making, the research process that I did just to make sure, and also why I'm buying the item from Nike factory store to resell it anywhere, any platform like eBay, StockX, Gold, any platform. So without further ado, let's go. So we're gonna have at least 5 items that I'm gonna share you how much profit I'm making if I'm gonna resell them, and also why did I buy them, and I'm gonna show you more tips and tricks on this video. So let's start with this Nike React Element 55 SE, and this colorway is the Bolt Blue Stardust Dark Gray, and the retail on this one is 130, as you can see right there. Okay, and boom, it's like unboxing, huh? All right, there you go. So we bought this for $59.99 and then additional 20% because of the reopening of the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store. Because of the reopening, they had a promotion like the 20%. So I grabbed a few of this one, $59.99 minus the 20% off, so somewhere around 47, converted to somewhere 48. So based on the StockX last sale, which is 101, so that is already a good sign. And we pick up size 8. I didn't pick up that much. I believe I only pick up size 8 based on what's going on with the StockX, which is sold, is last sale is 101. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a real quick flip. At least I'm making more than 50%, but let's say because I bought them 48.49, then I might gonna resell them for $90, so that is somewhere around $42 profit. So it's like about 90% return of investment. Boom. Focus somewhere, the color somewhere about 2 or 3 colors only, not like 100 color. That's kidding. Oh, and 90% return on investment. So next one, we got the Nike Air Max 270 React. Boom, this what I'm talking about. The color black, white, gray, that's it. So right, so you can go bigger sizes on this one because this colorway, very comfortable shoes because this is Nike React, and also the Max bubble on the back. Boom, you can't go wrong on this one. And the color, go bigger sizes, it's a good one. But how much did I bought this one? If you've seen the video, $69.97, additional 20%, so somewhere around 56. So let's say if I wanted to resell them, and the sizes from StockX, they are selling somewhere around 102. If I wanna resell them also on eBay, I could, let's just say 100, so minus 100 minus the 56 buy cost, so somewhere around $30 or something, or 31. That is somewhere around 55%. So it's a good deal already, making the almost half of my money. So let's say also if I'm gonna resell it on StockX, I might gonna go a little bit higher, 102, 105, somewhere around there, minus the fees. Might be $90, 27 minus the buy cost of 56, somewhere around 34, 35. So comparing from apple to apple, eBay and StockX, you might gonna go a little bit higher on StockX because it is, let's just say, the value may go up because of legit. StockX people are trying to legit check your shoes. So that's about on this one, the Nike React 270. I'm also thinking I might gonna go a little bit more higher. Why? Because the couple days ago, the Air Max 270 React with Travis Scott has been released. So that is, for me, looking into it, the Travis Scott Air Max 270 React, it's not gonna be for me. If I bought them, I got them, I'm gonna resell them. But hey, I got a loss. But this one, it might gonna go up the price because of that hype. All right, okay. Next one, Air Max Tailwind. All right, this one was in the pick of the week, which is the Air Max Tailwind, black and white. The retail is $160, and we pick up the size 10.5. Probably gonna keep it for the collection, but hey, boom, look at this, look at the color, black and white and gray. Wow, so simple, black, white and gray color. You can't go wrong on this one, right? And this is the Air Max Tailwind, which is comes with the bubbles, Air Maxes all around. And this kind of blew me a little bit. This design right here is somewhat like a skeleton or something. Maybe it's just me, but if you're looking like away, maybe there's some kind of 3D effect. But anyway, how much did I bought this one? $79.99 minus the 20% off, so somewhere around 63, 64. So what's going on eBay? They are selling right somewhere around 100, 115, somewhere around there. So let's just say I'm gonna resell it for 100, and then the buyers also pay for the shipping. So somewhere around there, I'm gonna make at least 22, 23. So that at least that is a 30% return on investments. That's why I only pick up on the relevant, which is the sizes 10 and 11, I believe. I didn't go much a little smaller sizes. So research again. This come in the research thing with the color, and also because this is a old school. One of those gonna buy them is just the old people like me. So if you're focusing on the sizes, go on the big ones, and also the color, not too many color. But anyway, 30% return on investment. I'll take it. What do you think? We'll pick up this one. We got two of this Nike Air Max 95 Essential. The colorway is a white, chrome, yellow, and black. So somewhat like, somewhat just like something different color, kind of feminine-ish thing, but hey, there's a black and red. But anyway, how much did I bought this one? The retail though is $160, and we bought this for $69.99, and then additional 20%, so somewhere around $56. Now same goes with the pricing with the eBay. What's going on? Some of them reselling for 110, 115. So I'm thinking I'm gonna resell them somewhere 100. And also, if you seen 7.5 size, very colorful. Okay, so that's the trick. Very colorful, smaller sizes. Not too much color, bigger sizes. So research also, but the main thing is you know what are your buyer want. So just like putting yourself into the shoe, what I like right now on my age, something like that. Just the thought for a reseller. But anyway, so how much did I bought them? $69.99, 20% off, so some more 56. Let's say I'm gonna resell them for 100. Buyer paid the shipping, so somewhere around 30, 31. So I'm making at least profitable of 55 to 56% return of investment. Boom. What do you think? Well, are you still here with me? Can you please leave a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm? Okay. Well, and lastly, we got the one that we saved for last. As you can see, a particular shoes, nice, and the logo, and another logo on that side, the Nike swoosh, and this side. What else? Okay, so, and the signature here, we got the LeBron 16 SB, or the LeBron 16 Super Brown, but they call this the remix something. And we pick up 11.5 men's, and the color of this one is the white comet, red and black, and the retail is 200. So you've seen the video, we picked up 5 of this. I focused on 11.5. I took all the 11.5. Some I left behind because some of the 11.5 that I left behind a little bit worn or dirty, because some buyer will try them and then put it back on because it doesn't fit. I've tried this on also. They are so tight, like very tight. Probably because it's just when you wear them like couple times, it will like stretch out, because this is somewhat a flyknit, bottleneck, something like that, and comes with a nice glossy patent leather. And also you can see those number 23, another logo right there, and the back, the shoes, and the dunking, and the outsole. So the main thing that I did also is, because I bought 11.5 most of it, and I also bought 10.5, you know, just in case, because don't have LeBron yet in the collection. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. I don't know. I don't have one yet. Now I said I'm gonna get 10.5 just in case. I'm gonna keep it for the collection. This one is like not that too much loud. That's simple also, with the glossy patent leather, the outsole, nice basketball shoes. So it's also a nice casual wear. As you can see, the black, glossy black. So you can't go wrong also with that one. But the only thing is the white-ish bottleneck. It might gonna get dirty easily. But question is, how much did I buy them? You seen that one, 109. And then minus 20%, so somewhere around 87.20. Boom, 200 retail and getting them for 87. That's a steal, right? So if you're checking also on the eBay, listed are somewhere around 44 has been listed. That is a various sizes, right? And then there is 16 that has been sold, somewhere around 115 to all the way to 169 that is been somewhere at that price range that they reselling this shoe. And this particular size 11.5, somewhere around 124 has been listed. So let's say I wanted to sell them for 124, buyer pay for the shipping, so I'm making at least 50. But because there's not much of competition and there is somewhere about 50% has been sold, I might gonna go a little bit higher, 150. So that's why I'm investing on this one, and I did focus only for the 11.5, just to make sure I don't have too much competition in my area. So the one that I left behind, those are dirty, so it might gonna go to the person who really want them to wear them. So I'm thinking I'm gonna resell them on 150, especially I still have the complete with box, no rip box, nice box. So I might gonna go on that price range. So let's say minus the 87, if I'm gonna resell to 150, minus the 87 buy cost. So I'm making at least $43 or $44, so somewhere around 50% return of investment. That's still a good profit for me. Not too much competition, good sale, not that consistent, but there is a good sale with this price of 120. Someone are selling for 170, 169, so there is profit to be made. Just wait out. It is a good shoes from LeBron. You'll never know what's gonna go, but hey, nice basketball shoes. And also the older ones that had LeBron shoes, they're coming back and they're more expensive now. So good investment. I want to pick up at least 50%. If not, I got the 10 and a half. Okay, so what do you think on that thought? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Also leave a comment down below. And that would be all. As promised, I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something on this sneaker invest, what I've been bought on Nike factory store to resell on eBay, Goat or StockX, Mercari, anywhere platform. So with that being said, if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And that being said, that will be all. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye. Peace.